Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix Samsung phones cannot charge past 85%. So first tap on the home button on your Samsung phone and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings you want to go down and tap on battery and device care. Then we go and tap on battery. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on more battery settings. In here you want to go down to the bottom and turn off protect battery. This is what causing your battery not being able to charge past 85%. Now because of these features, turn on, it's said to extend the lifespan of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%. And so if you want to remove this protection, just switch it off and this will allow the phone to charge past 85% to 100%. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.